Hello friends, very good morning to everybody. I am Namita welcoming you to my channel Study Together. So let's start today's class. Friends, today we'll read about cell cycle and you can see this diagram of cell cycle. Cell cycle consists 4 phases: G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and M phase. G1 means gap 1 phase, S phase means synthesis phase, G2 means gap 2 phase. This is M means mitosis phase. Okay. G1, S phase and G2 phase come under interphase. And G1 phase, in G1 phase the cell is continue to grow, and S phase the DNA will synthesize and DNA will replicate. What do you mean by DNA replicate? See, this is a double strand DNA molecule. It copy into 2 identical DNA molecules. G2 phase it will preparation for mitosis, and the mitosis consists 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So you can see here what happening in the 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. This is cytokinesis. See friends, you can see this is like chromatin materials. No, the chromatin materials will join here and form chromosomes. Okay, at last what happening? 2 daughter cells are forming in cytokinesis, and 4 phases in cell cycle. Friends, how much is required for the exam? That much only I am saying. Okay, no need to study the whole. Now, cell division. What do you mean by cell division? The process in which the cell number will increase, that is called cell division. Cell division of 2 types, mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, what happening? See, the mitosis cell division occurs in somatic cell, but meiosis occurs in reproductive cell or germ cell. The number of daughter cell in mitosis is 2 and 4 in meiosis. The number of chromosomes same in mitosis but half in meiosis. Genes of daughter nuclei identical in mitosis, identical, but meiosis different. You can see the 2 diagrams of mitosis, the process of mitosis and meiosis. See, this is diploid, the parent cell, 46 number of chromosomes. Here also 46 number of chromosomes in parent cell. After cell division, 2 daughter cells are producing or forming, and that are same. See, already I said the number of chromosomes same. So see here parent cell 46, here also 46. This is same, identical, but this is half. Parent cell 46, but daughter cells half number of chromosomes, that is 23. Now we will read some biological terms for the exam. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Crossing over, exchange of genetic material between the 2 non-sister chromatids. Okay, this in meiosis. Now homologous chromosome, this is O. Homologous chromosomes means the pair of chromosomes having same size, same shape means homo. Now allele means alternative form of characters by the gene is called allele. Phenotype means physical character, genotype means genetic character. Please remember, pheno means physical character, genotype means genetic character of an organism. Now tonoplast, the membrane surrounding the vacuole. You can see this is the vacuole, and the membrane surrounding to the vacuole is tonoplast. You know the vacuole in plant cell and animal cell, the vacuoles are present. You know, this is vacuole. In plant cell the size is large, and the membrane surrounding to the vacuole is called what? Tonoplast. Now we will read about genetics. Okay, see, the name genetics was first coined by W. Watson in 1905. And gene, the name first used by Johans in 1909. Okay, genetics first coined by W. Watson, gene coined by Johans. What do you mean by heredity? Transmission of character from one generation to next generation is called what? Heredity. You know, character. Some character, physical character will transfer from parents to offspring. Parents to offspring. It is called what? Heredity. In genetics, what happening? This character, this heredity only transferring to the generation to generation. Transfer of heredity character from one generation to another generation. See, if the parent is tall, so this character will transfer to offsprings tall. Offspring. This is parent. Gregor Johannes Mendel first gave the idea of heredity. Who gave the idea of heredity? Johannes Mendel. So, father of genetics, Gregor Johannes Mendel. He used pea plant for his experiment. Okay. Today we'll stop here only. In next class we will study about the Mendel's monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe me.